There was an elderly man visiting a doctor for his checkup. As he was leaving, he asked the doctor if he could recommend a specialist for his wife. "What's wrong with her?" asked the doctor. The old man explained that her hearing was getting so bad that it was almost embarrassing. The doctor said he knew of several specialists that could help, but he wanted the old man to do a little test. When he got home to help the doctor determine the severity of her hearing loss, the doctor said, "When you get home, make sure your wife's back is turned to you and ask her a question. If she doesn't respond, walk closer and ask her again. Keep doing this until she answers and let me know the results." That night, when the old man opened the door of his home, he could see his wife in the kitchen preparing dinner. She was at the counter with her back to the door. "What's for dinner?" the old man asked. His wife did not respond, so he walks to the doorway of the kitchen and asked the question again. Still, he was greeted with silence. This time, he walks up just behind her and asks once again, "What's for dinner?" His wife spins around a bit agitated and says for the third time, "Fried chicken."